Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the Cooking Nurse, and in today's video we are going to be roasting chicken in the oven. So if you are a returning subscriber and you've been watching my videos for really a long time, you must know I'm a lover of chicken. So yeah, any recipe that has chicken in it, I'm down for it. It was my husband's birthday, so I decided to make this chicken just to mark the day. And I hope you like the recipe. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Give this video a thumbs up and let's go. So guys, as you can see, I have my chicken in a bowl of water. It was immersed in there. This is a deep bowl. You can also use a bucket. In the water there was some garlic. You can add in there ginger, anything that you think can add in flavor in your brine. So in this particular water I added in vinegar. I put in 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and half a cup of vinegar, and then added in water. It is proper if you can let this sit like overnight in the fridge so that your chicken is so soft in the morning and is well seasoned. The salt is really onto the bone. So the way I want to do my chicken today is I'm going to remove the backbone. You just have to locate where it is and cut it out. Make sure you do not damage the drumsticks or the thighs of the chicken. So I'm going to trim off all the excess fat that is really in the sides, because I'm going to be using butter like you're going to see. So I don't want all this other fat sagging around. I just want my chicken well marinated, well seasoned, and perfect. So guys, if you buy chicken from the store like the supermarket or a chicken place, you just have to wash it, because man, these chickens can be dirty. Not like filthy dirty, but yeah, you just have to wash it, because these guys are doing commercial. They are rushing through the process. They do not have to, like, they don't have that much time to wash all the unplucked out feathers and everything. They have a lot of work going on, so you just have to keep on washing them, like repeat the washing and make them fit for consumption. So as you can see, all these things are going away into the dustbin, and then we are gonna get clean water that has nothing in it, and then we continue cleaning our chicken. We just have to like get the chicken clean. Please also feel good about the chicken. And as you can see, it really lays flat perfectly well when you remove the backbone. I've also ever attempted to make the chicken how people on YouTube make it, and like put garlic and lemon inside. Man, I didn't like that one. I'm going to be honest. I just feel like if you can use the lemon juice once the chicken is already, just squeeze a little bit as you're eating, it is much better than actually cooking the lemon. That is my personal opinion. Like me personally, I failed to eat that because it was so, like, the lemon rubbed off and it was so bitter. So yeah, that is why I've opted to this particular type of making my oven roasted chicken. Lay it flat, let it roast, crunchy and crispy, perfect. So I'm going to rub it and pat it dry. You can use kitchen towels, you can use a piece of cloth that is friendly, that you can actually use like I'm doing. Just pat it dry so that whatever you're going to season your chicken with can actually stick or stay on the chicken. We are not going to skin it because we want the skin to stay, like the outer coating of the chicken, the skin. We want it to stay for the crispy part of it. So in our bowl I have half a cup of butter, room temperature. It's salted, so I'm adding in some paprika, some salt. I'm adding in some mustard, yellow mustard. I've added in some curry. You can really add in anything, and I'm adding in some black pepper. So I have added in a few dry thyme leaves, and I'm going to mix these together until I have a perfect mixture, like they're all together, because this is what I'm going to use to season my chicken. I don't want to have salt here and then no salt there. Yeah, even unsalted butter can do. Just make sure you regulate the salt when you use salted butter. So once that is so mixed up, we are done mixing it. I'm going to go on and coat my chicken. Remember, this is butter. You can use gloves, by the way, if you want, but I didn't have a pair, and I'm making my own food at home, really. But if you don't want the messy part of this, you just have to use gloves. Flip it. I first smeared the downer part so that I don't have to first apply the butter on top and then flip it to apply down, because I want all my chicken to be seasoned or on both sides and then mess up the other side. So I first season the downer part and then go on with the upper part. I am seasoning every part of the chicken. This is the neck part and then the backbone, everything. This butter is going to go everywhere. Don't mind about the fact that it's, you know, cold and it is not getting around everything well. So I'm inserting some under the skin. When the heat goes down on the chicken, this butter is going to be evenly distributed. And by now, if you're following this recipe, your oven should be up and heating. So I've again added on some black pepper, some paprika, and some salt. You know, that crispy skin that has extra salt on it. Yeah, that is what I'm going for today. So just be generous with the butter mixture, and make sure you insert some under the skin on the breast part so that it doesn't actually dry out. The breasts tend to dry out. So once the whole seasoning part is done, I'm going to put my chicken in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius, 200 for about 1 hour. So it is going now, it is cooking, it is roasting actually, and it's done. It's been 1 hour sharp. These store-bought chickens are really so soft. They are not like the local ones. Yeah, so they don't take really a long time to cook through. Gonna garnish it with fresh dhania or coriander leaves. You can use parsley, and then it's ready to serve. Actually, this chicken, one person can finish it. See how it's falling off? Guy, this is the perfect, I don't know how to call it, but what the magic is having to put it in the brine for a little while. Yeah, so it takes up a lot of salt, and you know that vinegar breaks all the fibers, so it's so soft, and the salt goes to the core. You don't have to taste a bit of the chicken that is not seasoned. So guys, thank you so much for watching up until this time. I hope you like this recipe, and I hope it's so easy for you to make for your family. Thanksgiving is coming up. If you cannot have turkey, or if you cannot have stuffed chicken, whole chicken, then this could be perfect for you. Yeah, like I said, even one person can finish this chicken. It was just 1 kilogram and like 1.2 kilograms. So I'll see you soon guys in my next video. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Yeah, because what are friends for? Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.